This is a Stenner VHM 36-inch Resaw. You do have a 9 1/8 inch cutting capacity to the right of the blade. So if you move your roller fence all the way to the right, you do have 9 1/8 inches of capacity. You also have 9 1/8 inches of capacity from the left of your blade to the right of your blade as well. If you adjust this hand wheel right here, that is going to adjust that upper feed wheel. Now, right now, it does not look like it has 9 1/8 inches of capacity. That's because you're going to come in and hit your foot pedal here. And this is going to open that feed up. So right here, you do have 9 1/8 inches on either side. Additionally, this fence does tilt. So if we come in and bring this forward, if you use a wrench and loosen your nut, you can come in and tilt your fence up to 45 degrees. You do have up to 17 inches under your top guides. So again, if we come in and loosen this up, and if we raise this all the way up and relock the handle down, you have 17 inches of clearance under your guides. You do have a little bit of adjustment here, so you can curl this up a little bit and get a little bit more clearance by rotating it up maybe another 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch, but it's about 17 inches of clearance. So you got 9 1/8 and by 17 inches. We'll go ahead and turn that 3/4 horsepower feed on real fast. And we're gonna look inside. Below is your feed motor. To adjust speeds, you do flip your belts. Up top is your drive mechanism. A lot of people ask what this is, and this is just an emergency stop that you can kick. We're gonna come in real fast and move this fence forward and re-tilt it. Lock it back in place. We'll come up top here and open the top cover up. There is your 36-inch wheel. You do have a scraper down below here that's got phenolic on there. They're just weighted, so it's a gravity scraper. This is your tensioning hand wheel. You can tension up to 2,500 pounds with it. Come in here and close this real fast. Open up your covers. You've got another compartment down here. This is your lower wheel. And again, down here, up here, you do have another scraper up top there, the same as the one above. On the rear, you do have an oiling pad. That is just a gravity drip oil pad. And what I mean by that is, when you turn the machine on, you simply flip this up and it is going to just drop oil onto that pad. This machine is powered by a 15 horsepower motor, so it does have ample power. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up with everything open. You should not run the machine with it open, but we're gonna give you this view. Your start for your main motor is right here. And we'll turn that feed on. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.